If you're writing a narrative style picture book, you know, that kind of book that has a beginning, middle, and end, world building, conflict and resolve, you are going to want to hear this quick rule of thumb. It changed everything for me. There's a rule of thumb in picture book creation that a quarter of the book would be dedicated to the beginning world building, that a half of the book would be dedicated to the middle, which is the problem rising and falling, and that a quarter of the book would be dedicated to the end, which is the resolve, keeping in mind that there's the front matter and the back matter. Remember here in this particular video that I'm going to be talking about narrative style books. So those books that have a beginning, middle, and end, and a conflict and resolve, those kind of narrative books that I've created an entire fill in the blank template to help you get your ideas out and into story form. Check that out in the links. But if you're actually interested in paginating a concept book, like let's say an ABC book or a 1, 2, 3 book, that would be where you find my resource Concept Book Planning Challenge, where I give you pagination examples in this printable to show you how, for example, in this one, how a sample ABC book pacing would flow through a 32-page book. So as you listen to the rest of today's video, I'm actually talking more about the narrative style books, and you can apply what you learn here to concept books if you wish. In a 32-page book, you may be looking at 3 pages front matter, 7 pages beginning, 14 pages middle, 7 pages end, back matter, maybe 1 page. And this you can switch around as you wish because it is your book. Understanding how to pace your picture book and break that manuscript onto the pages that create a compelling page turn takes your book from average to winner. It really does. It's such a crucial part of the project. And so I hope you enjoyed this rule of thumb. I also have lots of different storyboarding and pacing videos that help support the process. You're going to definitely want to poke around here on the playlist. There's even a free writing picture books class that I take you through my whole writing process step by step in 6 videos. By far, my best-selling little printable is this one-page pagination planner that changes everything. It's a tool for both writers and illustrators, and you will want to find all of these things in the links below if it interests you in having some printable tools to help your picture book creator process. Thanks so much for being here, everyone. Do all the things that YouTube loves. If you've liked this video, give me that thumbs up, share it with a friend, and leave me a comment below to share with me where you're at in your picture book creators process, because here on the channel, I'm building a community of like-minded people who are supporting each other in their creative process. And so I'd love to hear from you and have you a vocal, interactive part of this community. Until next time, picture book creators, happy creating.